Morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Dropped all my gear off down the street. Parked my car. Train rolling by. That's the end of it. Wonder why they got rid of cabooses. Wonder, was cabooses always manned by a person? If so, that's probably exactly why they got rid of them. Just made it to the claim. November 24th, Friday. It's probably, I don't know. Probably 30, 35 degrees already. Skies look beautiful. Little sandy bar on the other side over there. I'm not sure where I'm gonna set up today and punch holes at. I've only got hip waders, so I'm limited. You guys probably couldn't even see my breath. That's what I was showing you, my breath in the cold. Looks like I was smoking. Most times I don't smoke while dredging in the wintertime. There's this shit's nipples. What is that over there? A sign? I see a piece of someone's roof or something. Over there. It's a piece of tin roof. Yeah. We'll get this shit put together and we'll make some holes, y'all. Have to bust the ice out of all my little cells. They pop out real easy. You just tap it on the bottom, they shoot right out. Unless it's probably negative 20, then you're gonna probably break your mat. All right, y'all, have a good day. I'll see you first cleanup. Peace. What's going on, everybody? Got a big, thick, juicy picker of my first cleanup. I left my phone over there in my coat, so it'll stay kind of warm. But I'll show you where I'm digging first. It's a little deep. Digging right here. Goes right here in front of my old rock pile from the last time I was here. That damn rock right there looks like a petrified log. But I did pretty good, man. I seen 2 pieces of gold on my mat. Seen 2 pieces of gold on my mat when I turned it off. So I knew it was gonna be good. I panned it pretty fast, so I probably lost some. But it was a pretty good clean out. Yes, sir. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too shabby for some ice cold gold. I'll be back in a little while with the next cleanup, y'all. Peace.